Alright guys, so we're back today with another hair video, and I started this video off a little bit different today because we're doing another easy pre-cut lace unit. So shout out to Julie Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. This unit is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Very easy to install, and today is a same day install, guys. So this unit is 24 inches long. It is a reddish brown color, and this is obviously a body wave texture. So hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial today, guys. It was very simple, straight to the point. The unit is very lovely. If you're trying something new out for the season, you want to try a little bit of color, this color right here is very gorgeous, guys. It's a simple unit. It's glueless. You just plop it on, do a little bit of styling or whatever, and you're pretty much good to go. So let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Happy holidays to everyone. Make sure you catch Julie Hair Company's Black Friday sale, guys, and let's jump into the install part.